Hello everybody, Adelina here. Welcome to Draw with the Sparkle. Today we're going to draw a penguin. So let's get started. To draw my penguin, I'm going to start about maybe right here and give myself a nice curved archway line. Kind of like that. And that will just kind of act as the top of the penguin's head like that. Alright, and then I'm going to go down like this, and then go down a little bit more, and then go ahead and do a big bottom for my penguin. It's pretty easy, this one. Alright, and then we're gonna go ahead down with a nice curved line and connect it like that. So now we just have the basic shape of the penguin. So now we're gonna start with his eyes. So I'm just gonna do two little circles. More like big circles. Like that. And then I'm gonna give him some little circles for highlights. I know penguins probably don't have these eyes, but I'm just gonna do them anyway because I kind of think they look cute. Alright, so two little circles. And then a nice curved line at the bottom. Like that. And then just shade the top. Like that. And then I'm gonna go in and do some nice little lines like that, and then same on the other side. And then I'm gonna go in and do like a big belly for the penguin. So I'm going to do it right here, leaving just enough room for his beak. And I'm just going to do a big, oval-ish circle thing, if you know what I mean. And then connect it up. Kind of like that. And then I'm going to do a little beak. Like that. And then I'm gonna go in and give it some flippers. And then same on the other side. Like that. And then I'm gonna go in and give it some feet. So I'm gonna go down to the bottom of my paper and give it some nice little feet. Alright, so for its feet, I'm just going to do some little, lines, almost like if you remember that I do kind of for my neck, for my people. And then I'll do some right here. Like that. And then I'm going to go out and make just kind of wedged feet shape, kind of imagine my hand is like that. So kind of like that. So I'm going to go out and do one little hump, two little hump, three little hump, four little, and do about four little just wedged feet. Wedge it in there. And I'm going to do some lines. Like that. There you have one foot. Alright, and then same on the other side. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. There you go. And then I'm going to add my little star right here. Because this is my Draw with the Sparkle penguin. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.